Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the OnlyFans account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC. Then you go to the new tab and you search in for a www.onlyfans.com. and press enter, where it will lead you towards the official webpage of OnlyFans. Here at the official webpage of OnlyFans, you can see login form page where you need to provide your account credential. Here you also can get logged in into your OnlyFans account with your Twitter, with your Google account and also with Windows Hello login if you had registered your OnlyFans account earlier with these accounts. As I created my OnlyFans account with my email address, so I'm going to provide my registered email address. Then you go in for providing a password of your OnlyFans account. Here, after you provide both the details, you simply click on login. And with that, you will get logged in into your OnlyFans account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the OnlyFans account of yours. Thank you.